Craving crispy fries without the guilt? Dreaming of healthier versions of your favorite fried foods? The Philips Airfryer might just be the kitchen hero you've been searching for. This review isn't your average appliance analysis. We're dissecting the claims, exploring the functionalities, and unveiling the potential downfalls of this air fryer. Can it truly transform your fried favorites into guilt-free delights? Prepare to have your air frying curiosity satisfied. Let's unlock the secrets of the Philips Airfryer and see if it deserves a permanent spot on your countertop. The healthier choice, frying with up to 75% less fat. The heart of the Philips Airfryer's appeal lies in its claim to healthier frying. Using hot air circulation instead of submerging food in oil allows you to enjoy your favorite fried foods with significantly less fat. This can be a game changer for those who love crispy French fries or crunchy chicken wings but want to make healthier choices. Starfish Design for even cooking and crispy perfection. The Philips Airfryer boasts a unique starfish design on the bottom of the cooking basket. This patented design is claimed to facilitate optimal air circulation, ensuring even cooking and crispy results. The manufacturer even goes so far as to say it is not an air fryer without a starfish. A bold statement that raises the question, does this design truly deliver superior results compared to other air fryers? Versatility beyond frying, grilling, roasting, and baking. The Philips Airfryer isn't a one-trick pony. It offers multiple functions, allowing you to grill, roast, and even bake a variety of foods. This versatility makes it a potentially space-saving option, replacing multiple appliances with a single unit. Dishwasher-safe parts for easy cleaning. The removable non-stick coated drawer and food basket are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. This is a major advantage compared to traditional deep fryers, which often require messy oil disposal and extensive cleaning. A look at potential drawbacks. While the Philips Airfryer offers a compelling alternative to deep frying, here are some things to consider. Limited capacity. The 275-quart capacity might be on the smaller side for larger families or those who love to cook in bulk. Potential learning curve. While operating an air fryer is generally straightforward, there might be a slight learning curve to achieve perfectly cooked food, especially when compared to traditional frying methods. Price point. Air fryers can be more expensive than some traditional kitchen appliances. The final verdict, a healthy option for smaller households. The Philips Airfryer offers a user-friendly and potentially healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods. The ability to grill, roast, and bake adds to its versatility. However, the smaller capacity and potential learning curve might be drawbacks for some users. Ultimately, the Philips Airfryer could be a strong contender for those in smaller households or those who prioritize healthier cooking methods. Those with larger families or a tight budget might want to consider alternative models with a larger capacity or a lower price point. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.